Hey, we would all agree that Beretta makes a great gun. They're stylish, elegant, well made, but they do have one weakness, and that is in the finish. The oil finish that they use is really susceptible to moisture and water, and you can develop spots and stains that will absolutely ruin this finish. Well, our friends at Scandex Industries have come up with a solution to prevent that from happening, and it is called a stock conditioner. And what stock conditioner does is it seals the surface and applies an oil finish that doesn't compromise the original factory finish, but also doesn't allow water to penetrate and ruin your finish. So let me show you how it goes on. I've got a factory stock here, and I'm just going to take a little bit of conditioner. All you need to do is just gently rub it in. Initially there is a shine till the oil gets taken up into the wood, and then you can take a dry cloth and just buff it out a little bit. And what you'll see is that it hasn't fundamentally changed the original finish, but it's given it a slight sheen, made it look a little nicer, and now you've got a water protected surface, and you'll eliminate those water spots. Stock conditioner is sold at Pro Sporting Goods. Give us a try, you'll love this product. Thank you.